To change your desktop wallpaper, you can follow these general steps. Right-click on an empty space on your desktop. This will open a context menu. Click on the Personalize option. This will open the settings related to your desktop appearance. Look for Choose Your Picture. Select the picture you prefer. Click on the Browse button if you have images on your computer you would like to use as your desktop wallpaper. Click Choose Picture when you are done. And that's it. You have successfully changed your desktop wallpaper. By following these steps, you can easily change your desktop wallpaper and customize the appearance of your computer to your liking.